Today, we will be discussing how to assemble top-wind roller guides on a Series 9000 reel. First, unbox your roller guide assembly and make sure all the pieces are there. Next, pull the hose out and latch it into place. Using a marker, mark the bumper stop position on the hose, then remove the bumper stop. Begin on the roller guide side. Remove the hardware on one side of the reel's existing roller assembly. You may need to loosen the hardware on the other side for this next step. Insert the bracket with the wedge at the top between the reel frame and roller assembly. Then, loosely install the provided hardware to secure it in place. Once that side is secure, remove the hardware from the other side and insert the bracket between the reel frame and roller assembly. Then, loosely install the provided hardware. Next, place the roller plate so it sits on top of the brackets and secure it using the provided hardware. Once the guide arm assembly is in place, reinstall the bumper stop at the marked position. Pull the hose and latch it into place. Finally, tighten all of the hardware on the roller guides. Now you're ready to use your top wind roller guides on your Series 9000 reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.